Is butter actually better than cooking oils? Let's break this down scientifically. First, butter is mostly saturated fat, about 65%. Saturated fat is heat stable, which means it doesn't oxidize easily when cooking. Butter also contains small amounts of vitamins A and K, but it's calorie dense and easy to overuse. Now let's talk heat. Regular butter has a smoke point around 300 degree Vs or 150 degree Vs. That's low, so it's best for low to medium heat cooking, not frying. Clarified butter, also called ghee, is different. The milk solids are removed, raising the smoke point to about 450 degrees Vs or 230 degrees, similar to high heat oils. So who actually benefits from using butter instead of oils? People cooking at low heat, like sautéing vegetables, eggs, or finishing dishes, may benefit from butter's stability and flavor. People following low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diets often prefer butter because it fits their fat targets and cooking style. However, people with high cardiovascular risk or diets already high in saturated fat may benefit more from oils rich in unsaturated fats, like olive oil. So is butter better than oils? Not universally. The best choice depends on cooking temperature, dietary pattern, and total fat intake, not hype. Like for more food myth breakdowns, and follow for science, not fear.